Abuzam, sikedi basa chrono corruption, dream can proya ekos when this ya be Ama in just 1 year, Bank of Ghana record losses. Almost sika 44 billion Ghana cedis near children. You enjoy who has a mocha. That enemy no baba can be very important. It's a message video no better. Ama pussy no tea 7 American year very important like in a shade. Now, as some my baba can once a near friend no equity position of Bank of Ghana. So I focus here way and how won't you say Sami
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so. But more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel na turn on notifications so be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa. Say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom. Na if by chance de me e ofe na person boan which are through number na wasi ono adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso. Ni be so pa so. Now, another day, I came across a video and I'm watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free when say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be a say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people. As a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it. They will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians. Now, of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Abuzam, sikedi basa chrono corruption, dream can proya ekos when this ya be Ama in just 1 year, Bank of Ghana record losses. Almost sika 44 billion Ghana cedis near children. You enjoy who has a mocha. That enemy no baba can be very important. It's a message video no better. Ama pussy no tea 7 American year very important like in a shade. Now, as some my baba can once a near friend no equity position of Bank of Ghana. So I focus here way and how won't you say Sami Gyamfi, our communication officer man this year currently. Or your gold board, see you ever better was him. He said in 2022, Bank of Ghana boka. Na Sami Gyamfi press conference, hey, Abrandi Kasai. Now, what is some or can ever Bank of Ghana? As a Bank of Ghana, good adayam. Bank of Ghana, equity position, echo into negative. 55.1 billion 55.1 billion Ghana cedis. You want to be the Bank of Ghana go. What dear share Sami Gyamfi na we are bra me ba bechere when baby a Bank of Ghana equity position yakwa akodu negative ne ehimfa na akwa akodu we are no ajaje ama ho se ene ye wo Bank of Ghana o Ghana na wangasa wajaje ama ho se dan kura den tuo ne si hodom. Your friend the Bank of Ghana and the Ghana we want. She Sami Gyamfi you are the bra.
Ene akwako wie say afie atwa mi so hwe Bank of Ghana enye ma omo ye ne omu sika sembe bi egina Bank of Ghana no ene agu de enti agu ne say ene Bank of Ghana eye Ghana bandia government of Ghana is the sole shareholder na aban ewo say aban no as the social shareholder ni nya japade a ebetumi aso bank ni mu no ene ye sika ne ye japade nyina asa ama eka ye de no ye 55.1 billion eno ne negative equity a ye wura ato forcing aka ho asem 55.1
hey and Grobo omo kasa yo omo opposition no the way omo kasa just say some of the receipt there o border with you say hey and in Grobo this is what they have to show for after all the talks and say muna omo kan what the young concept is very important. Sami Gyamfi it describe a Bank of Ghana and the Akufo-Addo say a good a collapse at the end. Bank of Ghana equity position echo into negative a year 55.1 billion. That is 50 independence. ebepem 2022 at the time. Now Bank of Ghana sika or didi juma going to negative 55.1 billion. Me are very objective, me are fair in every analysis that I do. MPP eba be free abemu no equity position no. Ebi beka ho negative na ebi beka ho. Enti ye free abemu no na ye equity position going to negative 58 billion Ghana cedis as at 2024. In the space of 1 year, just 2025 in the space of 1 year. And this year increase Bank of Ghana negative equity position now could do 93.82 billion Ghana cedis. Entity independence basic 2024. Abaya buy na negative position ya ka omobo Bank of Ghana na 58 billion Ghana cedis. PT independence 60 years in a row. Now NDC just 1 year. Added 35 billion account, 35 billion, over 60% an account, just 1 year. Sankrofo we would join Momo Tana Bemam. Ebeka Kran Ghana near the Bakusia wa near the Argentine, and the Ababesha Ghana for. This is how useless NDC are buying it here. This is how incompetent they are. And Sabijan Fina no Kasana. So a cafe from Bank of Ghana, but no as an entity. Idea will contribute to ye, amount will contribute to ye to the losses. 9 billion Ghana cedis. This guy, position and I know the thing. We were thinking so about baby my Ghana. But he has shown to be incompetent, he has shown to be corrupt or a force Gyamfi. Yamau Sikase fakoto to gold was a maboka 9 billion in the history of mankind. Sami Gyamfi pen edi gold sika koko ja waboka 9 billion ne esensen Ghana foko ma ye ba be ko atua ye de taxes Ghana fo animu fifro o masa omo bra omo de atiti omo mawre mu atua taxes ye de ba betua sa abobo nse we ne kro no a ene corruption a oye wo gold board and asfm we emu nketua o nti se wo yam ahyewde a na ne aprankuma egu nsrene se tete abo wa kunwode a ne eso abiribrade a wo be yera ebo so a wo be mem because these guys no eniema boni omo ye wa bam corruption na omo ye wa bam kro no omo bo wa bam sika omo ma Ghana ehwere sika ehwere Ghana eso ne gu enya asem ketua en yenkote a omo se ye boka to make inflation calm down. Yaboka send inflation beba from inflation neba from ne say Ghana fu nya sika and demand for goods and services into omoboka to make sure that Ghana for in a worse position so that they won't demand for goods and services for inflation figures to come down. That is how stupid these people are. Now me say yenya ni omu hweye ye ni omu muga mu pa
bibi anu de ye wa ye problem but obepo basofo din ena we ena osolitiamo ena we ena okutiamo nanso ene mo ba ye mama ne kwan na obobo mpaya that say eya ho
bufu time sabi nyansa bia ni wa ewom ti krom ho ekra bro free Brazil ona bu nyame nhira mo kura mo basabi mo ba ye ma akuafo timi ton omo no baye enya sika to omo botom no koko akuafo mo pagya omo koko buom etua omo ka no yenya nipa no mu bi mo tisi fom eko insight akuafo dada omo abepem ne kuani nsanka ne sika na mo de mo tete radio station so TV station so ade na mo ye we need you people on the ground ye hear mo grounds. Na Ghana fo su, Ghana fo adwadifo su, Ghana fo akuafo su. Asukufo nkwa de su. We need you people on the ground. Adwuma no wo form. Ukọ form ho a, sane akuafo ka omo ha no. Na Ghana fo hu sampa, weni no ma ekoso. Ya TV station so na mokwa omo ya dollar hu debate. Dollar rate hu debate. Adi emfaso na de owa kwasimintim ne ye wote adwira kwa medanso dora wo eyewo na brabom emfaso be na dora ewo na brabo so ye hia mo grounds abambone enkrofo we ya mebu man yo Ghana fo eno na ya me ya dabi munya fom agudie omo ba ye efom agudie na omo hwehwe yes dwoma ma ne nua efom agudie ne ye pe asesa ne nyina akogu adie me nua no mo gusirem mo hwehwe situation amonam enne ebro bayire beans ene bayire eno na mo de bom ho bra mo hwehwe de amonam ne me se dwoma ma o mebu man me ka kire mo ene da ho no ene da ho no ono na busua me ya wawie na busua me ya wawie gonja mafia na busua me ya wawie asa akuafo ye adwuma ehia atofo da bi ewasi yakwa bro free Brazil na ye de akoya nkonta bu Ghana fo sika ne dwirima ye dinti ye nto Ghana fo aburo ye tikrom ha ye nya abanya wose wo nto Ghana na Brazil wo wasase papa chen Ghana Brazil na ono na asase wura ne sere ayi ahwede nko na odedo no Brazil wo wasase chen Ghana Brazil wasase chen Ghana ewia be ka kire yese galamsenti yensa ase asaya yentumi mfanya ayi ti ekoto aburo afri Brazil obi tisra so timpomu wansamire ado forest green ya noda adua bro onya atofo wo se Brazil aburo na ye akronfo Brazil wasase ya de do aburo papa chen Ghana wo wasase ya de do mo papa chen Ghana NDC akronfo aban Brazil wasase papa chen Ghana
NDC mpanimfo amuni munyansa you are the ones I blame na NDC ntiase ese munya special I'm be honest here I'm fa me honye example say mpanimfo no bi me fra mu amonfa no me hia wo hwi o anabisi o Minu aba hanabisi me ka se minu aba because me maame firstborn ewo 54 years ono ye pe enti wo ye minu aba pani 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa me twa interview wa how maame me twa interview me no na me ne wo ntam ye fine me ba Ghana na ye hia kama me ni nkoto be hia kama ye hia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this ready am de to wanim na eye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma this ready am de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this ready me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message you don't even read me nim se me frɛ wo asabio wadwen o se me besrɛ wo me wan so me nsrɛ skada me NDC ni bia de ko amatwefo na afrɛ no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman frɛ me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again, me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor Agyeta, which of course Agyeta e onu akasa na komemu e na odi chair me mansre no menya sesrefo enti ye fremu na se mo mfa e mamadwe nya mo se ye fremu se ye hia bibi o fefe na efe se me no ntembe kama fefe na efe se ye na ye adwumaden enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia ade na omonsa aka what have they gotten? Nothing. I can't promise any NDC member say meboa me campaign and as me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of musubai. With musem what thing, with trim what thing, why you say chin say barre. When they create do at panty, no problem. me ano so boxer credo kotokuro pa de dem mo de montena se na mutiri mu nya den na mo no matamfo na omo a edo NDC monto ye ntwene ohene baba oba ni na anu ya ba ye video ka se ye fremo kura mo mfa biem Nurudin Abbas mu nyina na ye ne mu a na ekọ na eba o ene
adwini future obetimi ko gina adokro ne nkyinam so to waba ade
ba se o nyame kwan na ode ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kura kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese mu hu no kura wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni